What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to talk about tires. So I broke it down into 4 parts. So first one is going to be tire size, and the second one is going to be speed rating, and third one is going to be brand, and the fourth one is going to be about price. So stay tuned and I'll give more information about it. I got Kumho tire over here, and the size is 245 40 ZR18 97W. I'm going to explain later what it stands for. And then the brand is Extra LX Platinum. And the DOT is like 2022. And then here the rest of the information about the load and the like safety warning. And here we go. Max load is 730 kilograms, and then in pounds, and then max press is 50 psi. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about this. So, about the size. If you're not sure about the size of your tire, yeah, you can go out and check on the tire itself. You're gonna see 3 different numbers with the slash. So the first one is gonna be I'm gonna make it very simple, but it's a little bit like complicated if you put like into the formula. But basically, the first number is gonna be the width of your tire, and the second number is gonna be the height of the tire, and the third one is gonna be the diameter of the tire. That's inner bead of the tire, not the whole diameter of the tire. So inner bead meaning the place where it fits the rim. So that's where it counts. So, and right after that, you're gonna see like a different numbers, like a max load, like speed rating, and then DOT, and like a brand name and type of it. So DOT is actually a date of production. So the first one is gonna be the week of the year, and the second one is going to be the year it's produced. Like, for example, I got Kumho tires, and it's 21-22, so 21st week of the 22nd year. So pretty much like you can look it up online too, like, or if you're not sure about the weeks, you can just count it. And if you're getting a new tire from somebody else, and just make sure you're getting the current product, like produced tires, not like from like leftovers, like from 19 or 18. So why? Because like the more the tire stays in the warehouse, it gets dry rotted. So just make sure like you got the proper DOT number. Also, if you're not sure about the size, if you can't look at it on the tire itself, you can open the driver's side door, and you can find it on your right hand side of it. You're going to see a bunch of information about the car, and you're going to see like the tire size for the front and for the back. Sometimes it comes staggered, that's why they just specify it. And then you can look up the PSI, like what the proper PSI should be on the car, but you can adjust it like eventually, like according to your, like depending on your like driver preference. And then the second one is going to be a speed rating. Speed rating, why it's very important, because as cars different, like differs, they have different like needs when they drive. For example, trucks, they need like max load higher, and for performance cars, they need like MPH higher. So basically the number right after 3 numbers that I mentioned before, you're gonna see like 95Y, 97W, or like a different kinds of numbers, and along with the letter. So the first one means like 95, it's a load index. For example, like 95 is equal to like, let's say like 690 kilograms. That's gonna be max load per tire. And then Y is going to be like 180 miles per an hour. That's the maximum you can get up to. It's going to hold it. So, and yeah, like depending on your car, what kind of car, what type of car you have, just make sure like you're getting the proper max load and a proper MPH, miles per hour speed rating. So, But if you don't care about this, like if you just like commute like here and there, and just like back and forth, you don't have like a performance car or truck, then you can get like any of it, you know. And the speed rating is actually very interesting, because like if you go lower, the speed goes up. If you go let's say like to A, B, C, D, or E, F, G, H, I, that's the speed rating is actually lower on that ones. So as you go down like to W, speed rating gets higher. So yeah, that's it for the speed rating. So the third one is gonna be a brand name. If you have a used car and if you're not sure like what brand name is original equipment for your car, you can go to tirac.com and check it over there. Probably it has like a two or only one option for original equipment, and some people just prefer to keep it original. If it comes with a Michelin, they just want to go with a Michelin or a Bridgestone or Goodyear, whatever it comes with. They just want to just keep it as like that, because it's going to be a little bit easier for them like to sell it eventually. Or if you have a brand new car and if it doesn't matter for you, or the brand name, you can switch it to like a different name. The only reason why the brand matters is because the brands tend to have some intrinsic qualities. For example, some people prefer Kumho, Continental, and Michelin, because it's a little bit softer, they say. And people don't like Goodyear, Dunlop, because they tend to have bubbles a lot, and sometimes they have like run flat tires, which means you can run on the flat tire and then you have to change it. It's only one time use. And that's why they don't like it. So it's a little bit hard and it's not good for your suspension. So it just depends on the preference that you'd like. So like basically tires come like in soft, I would say, physical like condition, and some is a little bit hard. When you hit a paddle hole, you can clearly hear the noise, and then it feels like just like a little bit uncomfortable, you know. And if you have little softer tires, you feel a little bit better, I would say, smoother, right? That's all about brand. Also, the last but not least is gonna be tire price. I'm gonna tell you what I got for my Audi 2013 A4. When I looked up online on Tire Rack, I got it for $600 instead of $400, and they got a gift card for $75. Also, they have very good deal on like a road hazard for 2 years. So pretty much like if you have a tire that's that's got a nail and flat, because of that, you can actually return it to Tire Rack, make a claim and return it, and then they're gonna give you like a replacement tire. And but you have to make sure that's the tire like a thread depth is not lower than 3. So and then what I got is like a Kumho tire, 225 4018, and speed rating is 97W. When I looked up on Tire Rack, it was like $150 per tire, plus they have like a gift card for $75. So like that's like $525 plus taxes. But when I looked up online on Walmart, it was a lot cheaper. It was $90. So $360 right off the bat on Walmart. I got it, and then tire installation is very cheap over there too. It's like $15, $10 sometimes, like depending on the location. And in total, I only paid like $420 to Walmart. And then what I did is actually you just find it like reviews on Tire Rack, and check it on Walmart.com too. And Walmart is actually booming in automotive part, so you can get like very decent price on the tires and automotive like parts on Walmart right now, and like as opposed to like Amazon or eBay, you know. And you can save a lot of money on that. And don't worry about the quality because it's gonna be same, because Kumho like manufactures like a same tire, but a little bit slightly like different name on it. Like they distribute it to like they sell it to Tire Rack and then Walmart. But there is pretty much same. Like, you know, speed rating is same. The brand is same, but the type is a little bit different. The name of it is different, but the quality is same. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and I'll reply as soon as I have a chance. Thank you. Have a good day.